Hello, and welcome to another episode of On Track with Ray. Today I want to talk about a very unique set that Marklin has announced in their 2025 New Items program. And the reason why I'm making this video is because a lot of people may not be aware of some history on a model that Marklin is coming out with. And it's one of my favorite locomotives. Growing up as a kid, I always loved this locomotive. It's still one of my favorite locomotives. But I'm talking about the German BR-01. The BR-01 Express Locomotive, can you believe it, is celebrating its 100-year anniversary. So Marklin is making a special model. It's a Deutsche Reichsbahn version, an Era 2 1930s version. They're bringing out a matching car set, and they even went as far as creating a brand new DRG Era 2 postal baggage car to complete the set. I love the BR-01. You know, as a kid, I would go to Germany back in the 60s and early 70s, and I'm old enough to have been lucky to see some of the BR-01s coming into the German stations and just standing in front of this magnificent locomotive. I mean, yeah, it's one of my favorite engines, and that's kind of why I'm making this video. So I'm going to show you this beautiful BR-01 and the matching car set. There's a little bit of footage from the Marklin factory. They talk about the innovations. They talk about the reason why they're making it, and it's a milestone anniversary, 100 years of the German BR-01. It's crazy. I mean, I've been doing Renaults now. I started Renaults when I was 24 years old. I was a young guy, and you know, the BR-01 was never really that old, and now I'm an old guy now, and the BR-01's 100 years old. I can't even believe that milestone. So take a look at the footage that Marklin is releasing in my video, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and most importantly, thank you for supporting a family business since 1987.
The Class 1 is celebrating a birthday.
Geburtstag.
Yes, the Class 01 Express steam locomotive, one of the legendary Express steam locomotives, is celebrating its 100th birthday in 2025. That calls for a new model, doesn't it? Of course, we want to celebrate the anniversary with the version as it was in the 1930s, still with the large Wagner smoke deflectors, and there should be a nice car set to go with it. With a newly designed postal baggage car that will certainly give this train a very special look. It has the prototypical roof equipment and adorns a set of 3, which also includes 2 cars from application group 29. The 01-184 is a finely detailed metal model with many sound and light functions, such as the digitally switchable flickering firebox. Typical of the operating condition is the central locking of the smoke box.